Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Planning and Design. We are going to initiate a complete AutoCAD tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to start with basic introduction of AutoCAD from the definition, and we will cover different kind of AutoCAD commands, and we will end up making a 2D design, elevation and section, and we will also make a 3D design for AutoCAD. So now let's start it. Let's get started. We will in this lecture we are basically related with introduction of AutoCAD and its uses, some kind of advantages, and we are just going to do that. Now, first of all, if we speak with the definition of AutoCAD, so what is AutoCAD? Its parental software is Autodesk, which has launched the AutoCAD in 1977, and the official version was launched in 1982. First of all, the Auto is the logo of Autodesk, and the CAD stands for Computer Aided Design or Computer Aided Drafting or sometimes we use CADD, Computer Aided Design and Drafting. So it is a basic software in which we make different kind of 2Ds and 3Ds. If we talk about the history, these are contents as you can see here. If we talk about the history of AutoCAD, its official version was launched in 1982 by Autodesk, and it has made by Autodesk in 1977. Before the invention of AutoCAD, the drawing were usually manual. Different kind of engineers and planners, they actually gather at a place and they will draw different kind of plans, scaled plans, which will take a couple of days or maybe a couple of months, and it was a bit heavy work and it was a bit messy, and it takes a lot of time, and it is not that accurate and precise. After the invention of AutoCAD, most of the 2D design and 3D design was starting in people get started in AutoCAD to design 3Ds and 2Ds, and this is the basic kind of history. Now I'm going to tell you some kind of uses and its advantages, and there are also some kind of limitations of this software. So actually we are going to get started. Now it is a software which is used in electrical engineering, in wire connection and these kind of things, and it is used in mechanical engineering, especially in making the machinery of cars in 2D or 3D in this software. And in civil engineering field, we use this software for structural drawings, and we also use in building construction and technology. And now we will tell about planning, and different kind of planners use this software in making housing schemes, in making industrial estates, and you can say in making different kind of zoning plans, in master plans and these kind of things. An architect used this software in interior and exterior design of a building. Architect covers different kind of things, making the interior, we can say interior design, which include windows, doors, etc., and it also cover 3D. It is also a good 3D modeling software. In landscape designing, we basically make a different kind of landscapes. Its main advantage is its precision and accuracy. Now I think that there are many kind of other software which also make 2D, like Revit and SketchUp, but these are not precise. These software are for 3Ds. In 2D, the AutoCAD is so accurate, very precise, and the second thing is its quality of drawing. It has a good quality drawing. Uh, Now the last thing we are going to discuss, that every software has some of the limitations. We are going to discuss the limitations of this software. Actually, there may be some errors. For example, the file may be corrupt sometimes, and we can fix this issue. We cannot completely eliminate these kind of issues, but we can fix them. There may be sometimes file corrupt, and the second thing is its interference is very complex. When a beginner see the interface of AutoCAD, he says that just leave it. But it's very easy software. We are going to completely guide you, inshallah. And the third one thing is cost. Its cost is also very high if you want to buy a official version. But now there are some kind of student version and crack version also, And the last thing we are going to discuss is file size. Sometimes the file becomes too heavy that the software becomes and the system hang. But we are going to show you everything here. We are going to completely guide you, and in the next tutorial I'm going to tell you I'm going to use AutoCAD, and I'm going to tell you that how to customize a basic interface of AutoCAD for you, because I am not using the default interface. I am obsessed with the customized interface, so I am going to tell you that how to make this interface. And this is for the today's video, and thank you very much.